Ever wondered how Tesla, a pioneer in electric vehicles, makes money? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a journey through the electrifying business model of Tesla. In 2003, a group of engineers in Silicon Valley started Tesla Inc. with an ambitious goal: to prove that electric vehicles could be better, faster, and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. Today, Tesla not only designs and manufactures electric cars, but also energy generation and storage systems. In the early years, Tesla's business model revolved around developing high-performance electric sports cars. The Tesla Roadster, unveiled in 2006, was the company's first product. It was a statement to the world that electric cars could match and even surpass the performance of their gasoline counterparts. However, the Roadster was a niche product, and Tesla soon realized that to make a significant impact, they needed to reach a broader market. This led to the development of Model S, a luxury sedan, and Model X, a sports utility vehicle. These cars were not just environmentally friendly, but also came loaded with advanced features like autopilot, bioweapon defense mode, and over-the-air software updates. But even with these vehicles, Tesla was playing in the premium segment of the market. The real game changer came in 2017 with the launch of Model 3, Tesla's first mass-market electric car. With a starting price point that was within the reach of many consumers, Model 3 has become Tesla's best-selling vehicle and a significant revenue generator. But Tesla's business model isn't just about selling cars. The company also generates revenue from its energy generation and storage business. This includes the sale of solar panels, solar roofs, and energy storage products like Powerwall, PowerPack, and Megapack. Tesla's energy products offer a sustainable energy solution for homes and businesses, and they represent a growing share of the company's revenue. Moreover, Tesla has also been earning from regulatory credits. These are credits that Tesla earns for producing zero-emission vehicles and then sells to other automakers who need to offset their production of high-emission vehicles. The business model of Tesla has evolved over time, from focusing on high-performance sports cars to targeting the mass market and diversifying into energy generation and storage. This evolution has allowed Tesla to grow its revenue and become a leader in the electric vehicle market. So to summarize, Tesla's business model is multifaceted. It's not just about selling electric cars, but also about providing sustainable energy solutions and leveraging regulatory credits. It's a model that has allowed Tesla to challenge the status quo in the automotive industry and drive the adoption of electric vehicles. It's a journey that started with a single electric sports car and has grown into a global movement towards sustainable transportation and energy solutions. In a world increasingly conscious of the environmental impact of human activities, Tesla's business model is not just innovative but also future-facing. It's a model that has placed Tesla at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution and has positioned the company to play a significant role in the transition to sustainable energy. And that, dear listeners, is the electrifying story of Tesla's business model. It's a story of innovation, disruption, and a relentless drive towards a sustainable future.